And recording.
What are you streaming using this camera? Is it
This is the
clear?
Senate feed.
Okay.
So we're streaming it now.
Okay.
Tapos, we have multiple feeds.
Okay.
Charlie, pop your... Ang cool, ah.
Super nakakapagod. Kawawa.
Streaming na. Headphones up.
Oh, that phone's nakabalot na because it gets dropped everywhere.
Black tape.
Yeah.
Sir, we're doing another docu. Freedom from Economic something. It's part of FNF also. Wait, you know this group?
FNF?
It's part of FNF.
Yeah, FNF. Yeah, I know FNF. But
So, how's your election campaign?
which one?
You said you were...
Well, we'll see in the next survey. We'll see in the next survey. What about the lad? That's not the true market value of the lad. That I don't have.
Actually, card-skip ko muna kasi habang nag-break pa.
Sobrang kulit ng
I'm live streaming. So, I'm safe.
Kinulit ko na lahat ng
How do I watch?
Sir, pag ganito, where do you go? You just go around.
Yeah, or go back up.
Back up.
Back up to the fifth floor.
Kasi inoccupy ng mga reporters.
You have to call.
Why did you call them?
Hindi, because
Rupert,
wala
I'm live
ibang
streaming na. Safe na kayo?
malalagyan house reporters.
Nakita mo na yung live stream?
Yun ang problema.
Kanina pa.
Ang lakas nyo ah.
Ako nag-live stream. Hindi, pero may tanong sila. Paano mag-capture sa
because
final
may-
cut? Kasi
okay na.
after
Okay
this.
na.
Okay, safe na. Bye-bye.
I used to stalk you upstairs, but now.
So, kailangan mo na mag-start at nasa. So, when we're recording, ito yun, di ba?
Hindi ko siya ganun kagwapo.
Sino?
Versa.
Ang bait mo pa nga eh.
We're quite happy kasi the three of you are visually
Okay.
pleasing.
What's bad? Some people are saying the spokespersons are more prepared to be private prosecutor.
Actually, ang galing nyo. Pero yung defense, they're so cinematic. The girl is so pretty. What's her name?
Yeah. I saw it.
I
Jimena.
Yeah.
She's beautiful. Grabe
should have
pagtang.
watched us kanina. So they were asking, sabi ni Nikki, si Congressman Tagliago gusto na pumasok. Sabi ko, hindi, tinitignan ko lang si Kim.
Ang ganda niya. May mga cameraman na nagkakamali.
Tapos sabi ko, may bagong pan ngayon ng Sun-N. Ano yun? Sikreto ang laman ito. Sikreto ang laman ito.
Uy, witty yun ah. Tweet! Tapos ko si Anta niya.
Sabi niya,
Let me announce, I've been trying to tweet there. It's
Helpless talaga.
I'm
Hirap
gusto
na
na lang
net
ako sa
eh.
gilid at matulog. What am I doing? Pati sa...
Sorry. Cam operator.
Dapat you have internet here somewhere. Fine.
Yeah, you can
Hi,
see.
Josh. You know,
Hello, Josh. Hi, sir.
hello.
Hi, sir.
What did you buy?
I bought a router.
Big group are yung Raptor.
Sir,
How big is the Raptor group?
give or take, there must be about 10 of us reporting. Desk is about 4, Maria, Glenda, that sort of thing. And then staff is mga 3 more. It's less than 20. So it's tough, but
It's interesting.
It's interesting. Starting to make waves. Nga, natatakot ako magtanong sa presko. Tanong sa presko. Sabi ni Cuevas kahapon, make sure you announce, I'm streaming. Make sure you announce kung anong pangalan niya at kumpanya para namin kung kalaban kayo. Tumahimik na kaming lahat. Na-label na Rappler eh.
May pa ba tayo sa kanya? Ang problema ko, it's below. Hindi ko na-realize.
What?
May masasaksakan pa tayo.
We can have the Ask her.
Na-interrupt lang tayo.
Oh, bilis ng cam switch.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, feel free to, drop by here every now and then.
We're happier with you around.
Yeah, you can hang out here.
Is this the witness?
Since you can hang out in the
Yeah.
Tanyada room.
Witness to?
Yeah, I can't hang out. Did you post that?
Huh?
I can't hang out in my grandfather's room. Eh.
Oh, I'm editing it for a montage tomorrow. This is the Josh. This is your witness.
Huh?
We
This is
should
your third
change it. We
witness.
should be on the other side.
But we're streaming, so you just do it. It's okay. Streaming for now. Ah, you know what? Yeah, you want me to do that? Yeah.
Please throw that.
Okay, let me do that for you. We can't stream anyway, so...
We can.
I mean, we can't
yeah.
do this anyway right now.
I'll keep clipping.